HVBAN is a professional manufacturer of airless paint sprayer, featuring integration of design, R&D, production, sales, and service, who has nearly 15-year R&D and manufacture experience of fluid equipment. It's gained international certification of ISO 9001, 2015 Quality Management, and CE. We own two brands, HVBAN and High Sprayer, positioning core value superior quality, integrity, and win-win. Having 40-plus patents in force and the conversion rate of scientific and technological achievements reaching 90%, HVBAN gradually ranks among first-class brands with the sale of its main products in over 140 countries. Its full series of airless sprayers meet the requirements of different buyers for the use in industrial, commercial, and small projects. We've been developing a series of high-end fluid equipment and parts like electric, pneumatic, gas engine, and hydraulic airless sprayer and road marking machine as well. Strong expertise and technology team has been formed to develop products meeting buyers' need. We keep updating and exploiting more efficient methods, and in the meantime, we're carefully examining different standards, determining suitable indicators and integrating them into the mass production. Strategic partnership has been built with key customers from Europe and Latin America. With the spirit of surviving on quality and growing by reputation, HVBAN insists on quality first and customer orientation, vigorously forging ahead, attempting innovation and strengthening quality management to supply products of premium quality and high utility to our customers.